welcome back to the channel. Today is the makeup video. I've already put my brows on and I'm putting on some primer now that I did not rub in good enough, but whatever. And we're gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro concealer because I'm going to be using some eyeshadow today. I'm doing the Eyeliner Essence palette. I forget what colors I used, but I will put them in the description box. Here I'm just doing my crease color. You want to make sure to get that color like right underneath your brow bone, not too much in the crease. I'm going to take that second color and blend those two colors together and put that right like underneath the transition color, more inside the crease, and blend that out. Sorry I'm not saying the names of all of this stuff, guys. I don't remember what it is. But now I'm deepening the eye. A little red, a little brick red. I love this Eyeliner Essence palette so much. It blends so well, but it is has some fallout, so that's why I do the eyeshadow first. I'm gonna put this darker color right on the outer V. And finally pop that little gold color right in the middle on the lid with a flat shader. Again, I'm gonna put everything in the description box for a breakdown. I really don't remember exactly what I used. Now I'm just gonna blend all of that out. Next, I'm going in with some eyeliner. Y'all, what are you the worst at? Because eyeliner is it for me. I'm so horrible at it. But yeah, did a little eyeliner. Right now, my favorite non-full coverage is the Fit Me. I don't really use full coverage if I'm doing a full face. Just because once you contour and do all that, you can make it look full coverage. I am using my Morphe, I think it's a G1 or a G10 brush. It's the Gunmetal collection. And it's really dense and it gets that makeup on there so well. It sits it right where you want it. I love it. And I use that first. And then after I get all of it in, then I go in with my blender and make sure I blend all of it out. Take that concealer and go underneath my eye for my under eye highlight. I use the concealer, the color corrector in yellow for underneath my eye. Can y'all see me keep looking over there? I'm looking at the voice. Coat that on really nice and good, and then take your damp beauty blender and just blend it all out. I do not know what I would do without my yellow corrector. And I don't show this part on here, but you definitely need to set it. I use the Ulta, I think, banana powder. But now I'm using my Laura Geller little sample, and I fell in love with that stuff, and I haven't ran out of it yet to have to go buy it, but this is the bronzer, and it is just so perfect. I contour with it and everything. I love this e.l.f. palette for blush. Like, it is my go-to for everything. Highlight popping. I love it. On my nose, I usually try to use my finger. And now I am going to just shape up my nose. I don't really like to say I'm contouring it, but technically that's what I'm doing. I'm contouring my nose. Now with the lashes, that lash stuff, the mascara I'm using is like $3 at Ulta, and it is bomb, y'all, like straight up. I don't remember if I put it in any of my favorites, but it is definitely a fave. Now I'm just going in with that same brick red color. Again, I'll list that in the description box, and smoking out the very right underneath my eye. Go ahead and put some mascara down at the bottom. I'm using a sample of the Tarte. Y'all, this lip gloss was just everything. It's technically a lip balm. It's not even like a lip color. It's a balm, and look at the pigment in it. I'm so surprised by that, but yeah, I love it. And then I'm using my Fix Plus, and that is the look. This is a great everyday look. It's not too much. It didn't take me too long. Nothing like that. If you enjoyed, go ahead and give this a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.